They were telling that you're Kshatri, but you don't have money. You're poor. Like, there was nothing like related to particular caste or something. Definitely, they were teasing her that you are calling yourself Kshatri, but you are so poor, like opposite of Kshatri. There is nothing wrong was there.
For me, because I was a part of Indian production, so it was very challenging to shoot near the Taj Mahal on the rooftop because that was a very small rooftop. There were some technical challenges also because of camera and snowfall is happening. So I think for Indian production, Indian schedule, that was a most difficult part to shoot. Ramesh ji? Ji.
Raja Sabarwal. My question is that, like, since childhood, since I was 5, 6 years old, I was very passionate about films and all. So, like, I want to ask you, what should be my first step to acting?
For filmmaking,
Yes, for filmmaking.
start with your phone and try making and try telling stories which you think, and phone इज द बिगेस्ट टूल अभी फिल्म मेकिंग के लिए. फिल्म पैसे से बातें बनती है, पहले पैशन से बनती है. तो कुछ सोचो, फ़ोन से बनाओ, शूट करो. आई थिंक सबसे अच्छा स्टार्ट अभी है.
वाह,
वो नजरिया चेंज कर दिया.
बहुत
Thank you very
बहुत
much,
शुक्रिया
sir.
आपका. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.
एवरीबॉडी. रमेश भाई, स्टार पावर के लिए तालियां हो जाएंगी. वो बोले सोनिया.
Anybody else? Okay.
And I've been attending festivals for the last 40 years. All the festivals, including Russian festival also.
वाह,
European festival, international festival, Habitat festival, and other countries' festivals, Poland, French. I just want to tell, compliment the producers, directors, and all the actors. Especially the girl, Marta stole the show. माटा ने दिल जीत लिया. यही मेरा कॉम्प्लीमेंट.
थैंक यू.
Thank you so much.
मैन ऑफ द थैंक यू.
सर,
Can you please kindly repeat
Yeah,
the
yeah,
question?
yeah.
Yes.
Ma'am, you have shown the war crimes on the documentaries related to the Second World War and everything. My prayer and submission that time the Russian in 1930s, 40s, Second World War के time पे how that time the presidents had dealt with India and the documentary how the Russia helped India in different times at different years, so that will help us to understand more closer how we are and all. One. Second submission is that is like because you are organizing Russian Film Festival, like I am sure that you are organizing across India.
Yeah, we are not doing across India same time or in the chain. We are doing it every year in different cities. Yeah.
Different.
Yeah.
And one more thing, if you can, means if you, even in different malls or anything, if you can arrange Russian and Indian
Simultaneously screenings.
screenings and Russian and Indian film mob dance, so that will help to more connecting and more you can reach the people.
Yes, we're actually working on it. We have some few projects for co-production to exchange our cultures and make the new generation, like people age of my father and my mother, they know about India more than we. Not me particularly, because I'm living in India, and
Okay.
the Russians who is living the now generation, they don't know much about India.
Yeah.
So what we are trying to do, same like in India also, the new generation, they don't know that Misha magazines and whatever Russian culture was popular in India at the time. We are trying to exchange this culture through art. This film was our first butterfly
And
in that, and yes, maybe there was ups downs in this film, but it was a good attempt from our side.
no doubt, ma'am, it's excellent, and no doubt it is.
Thank you so much.
And,
And
but
we
the
are
only thing is that documentaries on the how Russia helped India in the different time era. means it might be 1945 or maybe the Second World War, maybe 60s, maybe 70s.
Okay, you mean after independence,
Yeah,
after
yes,
Second
at
World
the time
War?
of war.
I think it's some events which people know quite, they are aware of it. Maybe, yeah, we need some documentaries nowadays to, in a different language, which our youth, our young generations will understand. Definitely, we have to shoot such documentary films, and we will be looking into it, definitely.
Yeah, from my side, ma'am, being part of the different business councils, so I will be happy to have a tie-up with your association so that in what way can help so that.
Absolutely, absolutely. We can exchange the numbers and we can work it out. Absolutely, and I will be very happy to be part of that.
I'm happy that I met here Paulina, ma'am.
Yes, yes,
Thank you so
yes,
much,
yes.
sir.
And
Yeah.
For your support.
she was very simple.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All okay.
The number of screens and number of cinema depends upon the amount of love people shower on this.
Gentlemen, right here.
festival.
Is there. How can we get more Russia into Indian films and Indian films Russia collaboration?
Okay, I got it. So I wanted to tell you that we have treaty, we have agreement between India and Russia. First of all, what I want to tell that it's from 2019, I guess, about the Indian-Russian co-production. We have agreement that films made between India and Russia together, they are eligible for a status of national films, and they are, as you know, they are free of tax as their national films. And plus, Russia announced some multiple rebates for a foreign companies, film productions who will come and shoot over there. There's some subsidies from ministry as well, Ministry of Culture. You just have to get information from website, apply in a time, go and pitch it, and you can carry on. And I know the co-producer of this film, James, he's going to Sarfaraz, very good friend of us. He does a lot between India and Russia. As his wife also, she is Russian. And he loves Russia as same as he loves India. And he got, for his next film, he got subsidy from Ministry of Culture of Russia. And so everything is possible. A little more knowledge, exchange of knowledge, maybe create some platform to exchange this knowledge. Let's see. I think we can, you can just Google it and you can get all information. It's available in
But
internet.
when we Google it, it is about the reach. Because we are getting new filmmakers now, the talented filmmakers, but it is about the reach. How can the Russian government be easily reachable for the new filmmakers belonging to India? Because when we Google it and when we reach, it's a different kind of a process altogether. And because we are seeing Russia in films, and it is good to come Russia and produce films, more films. But three things, if you can tell. Because it is about reaching to Russia people and Russian government to shoot there.
Yes, you are talking about newcomers, right? For it will restrict you, even you are a newcomer. And plus, as I know, that subsidies which ministry gives, it has a different categories. And there are some money which they are giving for a debut film. For a director who never shot any film, they are giving the money, but there has to be one condition: either director has to be below 35 years, either producer has to be. So producer also can get this.
Brother can also share his experience.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I was just.
He can share the experience. What's his experience?
NFDC से हमें देता है रिबेट और प्रमोट करते हैं इंडियन कल्चर, वैसे रशिया भी कर रहे हैं. इंडिपेंडेंट फिल्म मेकर जो स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, डायरेक्टर या प्रोड्यूसर, सी वो कहीं ना कहीं हम कहीं भी शूट करते हैं. अगर आप कोई डॉक्यूमेंट्री नहीं कर रहे हैं, गोरिल्ला शूट नहीं कर रहे हैं, अदरवाइज यू रिक्वायर परमिशन, यू रिक्वायर सम बजट. करेक्ट. जब आप उस पर जाते हैं लाइन प्रोडक्शन के लिए, तो जैसे हमने ये जो को प्रोड्यूस फिल्म की थी अभी जेम्स को किया है कार्तिना एंटरटेनमेंट में, इससे पहले हमने काफ़ी लाइन प्रोडक्शन किया है काफ़ी बड़ी बड़ी फिल्मों के लिए, और इनका काफ़ी अच्छा रिजल्ट रहा है. तो कहीं ना कहीं ऐसे जब आप सर्च करते हैं तो आपको इस तरह के जो लाइन प्रोडक्शन है वो आपको मिलके वो हेल्प करते हैं इन सब चीज़ों के लिए. अदरवाइज फॉर एग्जाम्पल रशिया के प्रोड्यूसर आ रहे हैं, डायरेक्टर आ रहे हैं, उनको नहीं मालूम है कि यहाँ पे क्या सिस्टम है, इनेबिलिटी क्या है। उनको शूट अगर करना है आगरा में, दिल्ली में, कहीं भी करना है, तो कहीं ना कहीं एक लाइन प्रोड्यूसर होता ही होता है। तो वो जो कनेक्शन है वो हेल्पफुल होता है रिबेट के लिए, फिल्म को शूट करने के लिए, परमिशंस के लिए। तो वो हर जगह एक तरह से काम कर रहा है।
रिबेट कितने % पे मिलता है अगर हम शूट करें रशिया में?
डिपेंड करता है कितना, विच रीजन, यस, रीजन वाइज।
Region wise,
You can contact Rabia.
that Rabia can explain to you.
Very handsome, you can see. He has come especially to support the Russian Film Festival. Anything you want to share?
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। दो मूवीज आज मैंने देखी हैं, तो एक्सीलेंट, बहुत ही बढ़िया था।
Thank you.
Yeah.
हाँ जी।
Inspired you? Which one inspired you? Then you make this movie, Jams movie, because it is a fabulous story. And who inspired you? Because there is a explore the culture of India and Russia. So it's I'm just asking about.
Inspiration was India and Russian relationship. Co-produced this film with Russian studio and Indian studio.
Huge
That was the
round of
inspiration.
applause for
And the
India
film
and
love
Russia
is
relation.
there for Russia, and Russia loves India and India loves Russia. So that was the inspiration. That's it. Thank you.
लॉन्गेस्ट बॉन्ड, सबसे बड़ा अलायंस है हमारा, राइट, इंडिया एंड रशिया। तालियां हो जाए पहले तो इसके लिए, क्योंकि रशिया और इंडिया एक दूसरे के लिए हमेशा खड़े रहे, थिक एंड थिन में भी।